Guys, I'm done. That only took 18 minutes to do those two because I didn't have two segments, but I decided to go with like a U shape. The reason being is that I'm going to put some netting around the perimeter, and I wanted a little open space to walk around, and that way I could take Bumbersteen off the leash while I'm in there. So I actually have a lot of space down here. I could probably do that again down here, and then I still have space over there. So overall, I'm pleased with the shape of it. So now I'm going to add the dirt. Right, Bumpy? Do you like it? You like it, boo-boo? Okay guys, so I filled one container and I'm gonna walk over here. Whoops! I got the pooch attached to me, so it's about 45 minutes to do. And so there we go. So I've got two more, but right now I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go get some lunch and let the pooch get out of the sun, though he seemed to be enjoying himself. And then I'll come out and do the next two boxes, but I'm liking how everything is shaping up.